For me, itong restaurant na to definitely cracks my top 3 best Filipino restaurants. Yung tipo may balikbayan kayo. Tapos tinanong niyo ako, saan sila masarap dalhin for Pinoy food? XO46 will always be top of mind. Kasi for me, they check all the 3 criterias. Excellent customer service, as in bawal sila mag-English dito, Tagalog only. Ambience giving Pinoy, Hispanic, old ancestral house. And syempre, their traditional and modern take sa Pinoy food. First time ko dinala yung mga kuya ko dito and enjoy na enjoy sila. And ang pinaka-binibida ko sa kanila dito is the 72-hour bagnet, as in the most perfectly cooked pork, moist, tender, crispy, na perfect to eat pa with the glazed apples to add tartness to the savoriness of the pork. New to their menu is the bangus salpicao. Despite na very crispy siya, the fish remained moist, very tasty, umami, not fishy at all. Kuha naman yung salpicao pero I wanted more salpicao flavors. Another favorite and a must order is their sizzling beef caldereta at quesong puti. The actual beef was very tender, yung caldereta sauce mismo very tomatoey and velvety. Tamang tamis at asim na perfect sa alat ng quesong puti. Super sulit itong kare-kare fiesta nila. I mean, it has everything na from chicharong bulaklak, tuwalya, tadyang, bagnet, and of course the vegetables. Magugustuhan to if you want i-kare-kare na more on the traditional tasting, na not on the peanutty and sweet side. Personally, masusuko kasi yung kare-kare na peanutty. And of course, always a staple order is yung kanilang sisig. Super good. As in grilled, not fried talaga yung kanilang pork. And one bite pa lang you can really taste it na. Overall, XO46 Heritage Bistro did not disappoint, and even the drinks that we ordered were good and still remains one of my favorite Filipino restaurants. Choy!